2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, power driver's seat. Come see the car for yourself.